Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to take the screenshots into the device. So in this video I will show you 6 different methods to take the screenshot. The first and the basic method, tap on volume down button and the lock button. You can see the screenshot is captured. Okay, again I will show you, tap on volume down button and the lock button. You can see the screenshot is captured. So the second method, 3 finger swipe down. Just swipe down using 3 fingers. You can see the screenshot is captured. First go to the page that you want to take the screenshot and swipe down using 3 fingers. And the third method, go to the notification panel. Then here you can see the option screenshot. Just tap on this one. The screenshot is captured. Okay. Again I will show you, first go to the page that you want to take the screenshot and go to notification panel and tap on the option screenshot. Simply the screenshot is captured. Next, the fourth method to take the screenshot, using the accessibility shortcut menu, you can take the screenshot. So here you can see this is the accessibility shortcut menu. Tap on this menu, you will get some shortcuts. Go to next page. Here you can see the option screenshot. Tap on this one. Simply the screenshot is captured. Okay, to enable the accessibility shortcut menu, go to settings, tap on additional settings, tap on accessibility, tap on accessibility menu, turn on this option. Then tap on accessibility menu, tap on screenshot. Simply the screenshot is captured. So the fifth method to take the screenshot, using the accessibility ball, you can take the screenshot. So here you can see this is the accessibility ball. Tap on this ball. So here you can see the option screenshot. Simply tap on it. The screenshot is captured. To enable the accessibility ball, go to settings, then go to additional settings, tap on accessibility ball, turn on this option, and here you can see 2 mode of operation for the accessibility ball, gesture operation and tap menu. So here I select the option tap menu, then tap on the option accessibility ball, just tap on screenshot. And the sixth method to take the screenshot, using the smart sidebar, you can take the screenshot. So here you can see one line. So this is a smart sidebar. Just swipe inward the smart sidebar. Then here you can see the option screenshot. Tap on it. Simply the screenshot is captured. To enable the smart sidebar, go to settings, tap on special features, scroll down. Here you can see the option smart sidebar. Tap on this one, turn on this option. Okay. Swipe inward the smart sidebar. Tap on screenshot. Simply the screenshot is captured. So in these 6 different methods you can take the screenshot. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.